Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a dashboard here in Mixpanel. Okay, so first up, go to log into your Mixpanel account. And once done, once you're in here on your project, you can go ahead and go to the top left, click on Create New. Then go ahead and select Board. Okay, just click on it, wait for it to load. And once it loads, here you have your boards. Okay, so you can see here in the left panel, we have your boards. Now hover your mouse onto it, click on three dots, rename, and to name the board, for example, dashboard sample. Okay, description right here if you want to. If not, just hit on save. Wait for it. And here we have the plus sign that says add to board. So what you're going to do in here is just add reports to your dashboard. Okay, you can go ahead and use a template if you have a saved template. Okay, down here, just give your board a descriptive name that kind of reflects the data it will contain. For example, sales. Add a description if you want to. Sample description. Now you can go ahead and further customize your dashboard. Click on add. Maybe you'd like to add existing reports or insights reports, funnels, flows, retention, heat map, or just text or even media. Okay. For example, media. Select an image or embed a video link by clicking on this option and paste the video link in here. Okay. For example, upload image. Maybe I've sold this Xbox controller right here. All right. Xbox controller. Like so. Add content. If you want to add more, maybe text, heat map, again, retention, anything that you want from here. Every time you made changes here in your dashboard, make sure to click on save. Okay. Once done, if you want to, you can go ahead and share this one, or just straight up copy the link or favorite this specific dashboard. Okay, that is it. That's how you create a dashboard here in Mixpanel. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.